Sometimes my mother tells me that in life I should be strong and I should know my responsibilities and my rights. My name is Anda. My thing is doing drama, acting. Yeah, that's the most thing I enjoy in my life. I live in Capricorn and I'm 57,000 old at the back of my uncle's house with my mother and my sister, just around the corner from the ASSITEJ office. In my house, there's a white door, and then there's pictures around the wall, like my mother's church pictures. There's a fridge close to the door. There's an oven, and there's a TV. In the morning when I wake up, I first fix my bed, and then I get ready as fast as I can because my transport comes 7:10. When I'm in taxi, we laugh together. My friend always tells me about how crazy a granny is. I look forward for maths because Mr. Moses, our maths teacher, he always has new stuff to teach us. I always sit in the front seats in every classes, and my friends always sit at the back. Sometimes when I write the work from the board, I begin to think about other things. And then I dream. I dream of a world full of possibilities. I dream of strange and wonderful performances. I dream of actors, I dream of dancers, I dream of street performers. I dream of lights and musicians, audiences and applause. I dream of forgetting and remembering. I dream of knowing and discovering. I dream of my city, of Table Mountain and Lion's Head, of the wind and the early morning clouds, of castles and theaters and late nights at City Hall. I dream of my country, our past and our future. I dream my own future. I dream of my friends and my friends to be. I dream of the world coming to Africa, the cradle of humankind, the cradle of creativity. I dream of the ASSITEJ World Congress and Performing Arts Festival in Cape Town.
Because as Nelson Mandela once said,
we understand and promote the notion that while children need to be guided, they also have an interest right
to be whatever they want to be,
and that they
can achieve this
only if they're given
the space to dream
and live out their dreams.